Alright guys, so today we are officially pulling out the cappuccino, but it's not for the reason that you might think it is. Today we are actually getting rid of the cappuccino. Now I'm not going to talk about it right now, but I'll talk about it in a second. The guy's here to pick it up, and I have to get the car ready. Ooh. Ooh.
Sweet. How does this thing boost? Pretty good or what?
Yeah, pretty good.
Where is this guy?
Right there. In the freight truck. Oh wow, they're doing enclosed and everything.
Wow.
There he is. So she's going back to Florida. Adios.
That way.
What's up, buddy?
Hey, Jim.
Happy to see you in the Miata.
Thanks, me too. I'm happy to be in it.
How's she going?
Good.
She going good?
Yeah, it's driving real good. I had to say goodbye to my little brother.
Bye, Felicia.
Do you guys see a difference between that tree and this tree? Because I don't. Oh, psych. Uh-oh. Guys, my car just died. My negative cable started to pop off.
It's a Miata thing. Alright guys, so Cappuccino is officially gone and RJ has put himself in the filming position. Thank you, RJ.
You're welcome.
So Cappuccino is officially gone. So I know originally guys we planned on doing a giveaway and having fun with it, and all I want to say is things just didn't align that way, and that's cool, whatever. It was fun when we had it. Lucky guy was really interested in actually purchasing it, and so we kind of just let him buy it. So no giveaway on it, but it's whatever.
But
now someone will really...
we have a better giveaway.
No, we're not giving that away. Get out of here. Whoever's buying that, I hope you really, really enjoy that car. It's a cool car. Just needs an oil change. But besides that, I am actually extremely excited now to have my work area back. So
Look at all this space.
that's amazing. Like perfect timing with the lifts and everything. My shop feels huge right now.
Yeah, this is amazing.
So-
this is exactly what was planned.
This was, yeah, exactly. So everything's aligning, guys. So we talked about this area a long time ago, and this is going to be like the workshop area, because doing all the fab stuff up front makes a mess, gets all over the cars, and it's sketchy. So my goal is to put a workbench here with some pegboard, like we said months ago. I need more shelves because right now I've been waiting for the Cappuccino to go because we have all the 1J parts and all of RJ's damn Miata parts on the ground, and it's giving me anxiety. I'm freaking out. Now I can actually make this into the work area that I really, really want, and it's gonna be badass.
This could be the Jimmy built area.
This is gonna be sick. I'm pumped. This is gonna be gnarly. RJ, I know you're pumped. You get stoked for this.
We're gonna get some real shit done. I'm excited to have this whole area as like an actual
I know.
nice
The shop,
workspace.
how big does the shop feel right now?
The shop feels huge.
Huge.
Feels fucking
Huge.
Huge.
Guess what I'm actually doing today, RJ?
Oh, hold on, I'm gonna think for a second.
Don't hurt yourself.
Alright, my left eye is bleeding now. I had an aneurysm.
We're gonna tune the Black Z today.
Oh, finally!
Hell yeah, RJ loves the Black Z. So
The Black Z
so
is my favorite car out of his collection here.
we were trying to get the Black Z on the dyno for like 2 weeks now, but it's Honda Day is this week, so like every Honda's been getting tuned nonstop for the past like 2 weeks. So dyno's officially open. So we're gonna throw the Black Z on and completely stock SR with a T28 on it and a Gretty intake. So I'm hoping for 290 horsepower. That's what I'm hoping for.
Wheel?
Yeah, wheel on stock injectors and everything.
That'd be
so
dope.
I think injectors are going to be my limiting factor. The T28 can actually put out 16 pounds pretty safely. So what do you think, RJ?
I say 279.
279.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to try and beat that number to piss RJ off.
You want to bet
without
$10
blowing
again?
Yeah, I'm down.
Look into the camera.
All right, so I might have to risk some knock to beat RJ, but it's okay.
279, I'm telling you. Alright, reconnected my negative cable. Let's see if it'll start so I can go back to work. Because I'm past my lunch break allowed time. Alright, we're good.
It's a dyno, but I have just a small issue. I think you guys already know what this is. This is the V-band clamp to my exhaust, and it kind of just grenaded, and I knew this would happen one day.
Is that an exhaust leak I hear? Oh, Lord.
Yeah, like, yeah.
It made cool turbo noises when you drove by earlier.
Alright, Kenny found me a V-band, which is sick. So as you guys can see right there, the exhaust is missing the V-band. Gorgeous exhaust, so. It's back together and it is lower than ever. So hopefully I don't rip it off again. I'm gonna have to put it on my lift at the shop and make it tuck up more, but for now, we'll be good. Alright guys, so we're gonna do a baseline pull. I turned the boost controller down, so we should be on stock boosts. I guess we'll see what happens. What did we make? 166 horsepower. That's really depressing.
It's better than I did on my first hit.
All right, we got a good baseline. All right, guys, so now I turned the boost back up to where we had it to see what the difference is. Hey, big power upgrade, 220.
3 turns is the ticket.
All right, cleaned up the fuel map a little bit, and then I might have added 1 degree of timing. That's
Just
it.
one.
Just 1 degree.
Pussy.
Fuck you, Kenny. All right.
I need more fuel. Oh yeah. I didn't want to go off though.
All right, we gained
-10.
-10. Been working on getting the fuel map to basically hold 11.5 under any type of boost. That's just kind of the safe number. Gonna get that there. I think this should be it. And I added about 1 degree of timing up top and see if we can gain any more power from that. If not, we'll pull it back. Hopefully we do, because 220 is a little than I would hope for. I was really hoping to see this up in the higher 200s, but hey, I don't know. So let's see what happens. Alright guys, so we pulled a lot of timing out of it and we actually gained 5 horsepower, which is insane. So I'm thinking I want to pull more at this point. See what happens. If it falls off hard, at 1 degree, and then we're kind of stuck. If not, I don't know. It's holding boost fine. It's getting the fuel. First pull under boost was is the blue line.
That's what I
There you go. And then once we pulled all the timing out of it,
We have all this.
the dark green line, which is like the highest. So right now we're at 227, which is still ridiculously low.
Even at less.
Yeah.
Nice.
I'm surprised it made that much power.
Not bad.
Dude, it is so off. The timing is so off. That is, I swear I've timed this motor like, that's so embarrassing. I swear I've timed this thing 100 times. All right, we fixed it. My idle's still good. My cold start's probably gonna be trash, but okay, let's see what happens. Oh my god. We suck.
Have to go back to KA.
No power.
Oh, we're gonna get there. That was at 16 pounds of boost.
That's retarded.
So this is what 16 pounds of boost makes for power without a motor behind it. There you go.
The back pressure in the manifold is absolutely insane. The manifold is literally glowing, which it's pretty excessive, I think. But when we first started tuning the car, it was actually behaving the way a car should tune, you know. Get the AFRs dialed in, then you clean up the timing map, throw a little bit of timing at it, see if it gains power. If it stops gaining power, you pull the timing back, blah, blah, blah. Our fuel map is perfect perfect. It's been clean the whole time, but no matter what we do for timing, it doesn't change the car at all. We could pull an Aston, we could add Aston, and it just doesn't change. So something's a little funky. I don't know what it is. I feel a little helpless. I'm a little upset, but oh, we'll figure it out. I know we didn't show anything, but we kind of got in the diag mode, and camera goes away, and all ears go on the motor. So, I called Derek Burton, our other tuner boy, and he said to make sure our ignition timing is acting, appropriately. So he had me change the whole entire map to a set degree. So 20 degrees. We put the whole map at 20 degrees, and then we put the timing light in the crank, and essentially the whole map, no matter what I rev it at, conservatively, it should say 20 degrees on the crank with the timing light. Now, as we rev it up, it retards and retards and retards itself more and more as we get higher in the RPMs, which makes so much sense at why it's making my manifold glow so easily no matter how much timing I throw at it. And the fact that we're making no power. So I think my cam angle sensor is bad. That would really, really explain all of it. And I mean, it's good, but bad news, and it kind of sucks, but whole gang's here.
Yeah, probably different.
You got a new toy. Kenny has to go out, but we're gonna leave the Z32 on the dyno until I could get another camera angle sensor. I'm just gonna steal Drew's for now. He said I could, which is sick, so thank you, Drew. I'm happy we figured that out because that could have been really bad. I feel guilty doing as many pulls as I did, doing it like that, but you know, it's part of the game, trial and error.
Find out stuff that way.
Exactly. So as you guys know, I do want to get more into the tuning stuff, and you're gonna have these issues, and I got to learn the hard way. So get the new camera angle sensor in, hopefully it works, and let's get to the shop and do some other things.
I just think torque steers like a bitch.
All right, since I have time to kill, I wanted to put pegboard up. I don't know why. It's a blank wall, so at least this way I'll have someone to hang stuff off of, because I want the workbench to be here. So I would have got one big piece, but it was all waterlogged at Home Depot. So you gonna want to be my holder?
You want to go up? Or here? The clearance itself.
Oh yeah.
Come on. Stop, Jim. Come on. Stop, Jim. Stop, Jim. You gotta go hard. He's not gonna see that until he goes to edit.
Nice. I should have just got more. Whatever. You can go back.
Too tight.
Enjoying all the space?
Yes.
There's a nice little loop. It gets really sketchy right now.
What do you think of the lift, Bubs?
It's crazy that it's here. It's really cool. Really high. Really nonchalant.
Non-challenge.
It's crazy.
So I'm really, really upset about the dyno today, but you know what? I learned a huge lesson today, and it's awesome. It's a much needed trial, I guess. But hopefully tomorrow I'm gonna switch out the cam angle sensor and it'll be fine. I'm very, very confident that's the issue. So once we get the cam angle sensor, I should have no problem tuning that thing, and I think it's gonna do great. So I'm still gonna aim for that 285 horsepower. That's basically the max on the stock injector. So wish me luck tomorrow, but I hope you guys like the progress today. You guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.